In this video, we are going to look at some safety devices. In the first one, we have got identify the appropriate current rating for the fuse in the circuit below. So to get the current rating for the fuse, we want to know what is the total current in the circuit. So we have got a parallel circuit here, 15 ohm and 15 ohm, they are connected in parallel. So we'll use the formula I total equal V over R total to get the total current. To get the R total, we'll use the formula for parallel. 1 over R total is equal to 1 over 15 plus 1 over 15. That gives us 2 over 15. We'll flip it to get 15 over 2, which is 7.5 ohms. Substitute that into the current formula and get the current value as 13.3 ampere. So the total current in the circuit is 13.3 ampere. So our fuse rating must be higher, slightly higher than this 13.3 ampere current, which is allowed or which is required for the circuit. So fuse rating should be greater than 13.3 ampere. So slightly higher than 13.3 ampere, that means we can consider it to be 14 ampere. So the fuse rating will be 14 ampere. Now, these three devices are the safety devices which we learned. The first one is fuse, the second one is a circuit breaker, and the third one is a ground fault interrupter. Now, let's quickly see how do they work. Fuse will melt if current is more than the fuse rating, and obviously we need to replace it. If it melts, we have to replace it and get a new fuse. Circuit breaker trips means it switches off when current is too large and exceeds the current allowed in the circuit. This you might have seen in your home circuit breakers. They would trip and then you have to again and switch it on for the circuit to work. Ground fault interrupter are specially for appliances, devices. So what it does, it detects the difference in current going in and out of the device. And if it sees or if it detects a difference, then it will stop the flow of current. Okay, so normally current going in and current going out of the circuit should be exactly equal. But if there is any leakage of current, then there will be a difference between current going in and current going out. And ground fault interrupter detects this leakage of current, this difference in current, and then it will stop the current. It will switch off and stop the current flowing into the appliance.